Hi guys, in this video, in those parts and tutorials, we're going to be doing this COVID coronavirus game. And yeah, stay tuned for other videos or tutorials like that one. You're going to need an and. Okay, so we're going to be so what you need now is in the if else statement you're going to need an and. You're gonna need an and. Yeah, sorry to pause the video, but I did some errors, and so I'm just gonna skip where I'm just gonna find out what I did wrong. So yeah. Yeah. Now we're gonna be creating the enemy. Go to the good cell. Just take that one here. That one we're gonna click corona. And it's gonna be great because it's kind of gonna be like sick. So yeah, now we have the corona. So now we are gonna go to events. When clicked, and when I start as a clone, you're gonna duplicate that. Create clone of myself forever, and await 0.4 seconds. Go to looks, take a hide, and take a show. So when I start as a clone, stop it, and I'm gonna put it there. So when you put it there, in motions, it should say his coordinates. So you're gonna put it there, go to here, and take another one, put it here, take it, now you can put it there. So when I start as a clone, show, and go to operators, take a pick random, it says Y171, and here minus 171. You can put that there. Take this and put it here. When I start as a clone, take a forever loop. Forever. Move times. Let's put 3 steps. And point toward good cell. So it's gonna point and a if yeah, put that here. If touching ammo, then delete this clone. Otherwise, it's gonna move through step and point towards good cell. So now if we try, ooh, that's kind of fast. Like, ooh, there's something wrong with the. Yeah, I think I gotta change something. Wait, what? It's not going up. It's going down. Going here. That's weird. So let's stop. Good cell. Yeah, I'm gonna see what's wrong. Oh. Oh, I think I know what's wrong. Oh, so I understand now why it's not working. Yeah. I actually need that. Wait, yeah, I need this. I need this for direction inside that one. Put direction in that one. And that one, actually you need to put direction here. Oh my god. And put 135. Put that here, put that there. Put minus 135 in here, you put minus 45. Now all of that is correct. Yeah, that's correct. And yeah, it's working. It's working. Oh, that was really stupid. Yeah. So we also want to create. I'm gonna create a costume where he dies, kind of. So so yeah, we're gonna do it if change change. Okay, yeah, set color, set brightness to 0, and change, double change, and you're gonna need a weight 0.05. there, change brightness, change brightness to 25 and after to 0. No, you're gonna set it to 0. Yeah, set brightness to 0. Put it there. You know what? We're gonna put like 80. Yeah, that's good. You can move and do that. We also need to fix something because when they come, they're like upside down. So to fix that, all you need to do is go to motion and set rotation style to left and right. And now it's pretty good. So yeah, that's the end of part 2. See you in the next video.